Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 3 best baby bottle washers in 2025, perfect for busy parents who want fast, hygienic, and stress-free cleaning. From smart features to reliable sterilization, these machines make bottle washing effortless, ensuring your baby's bottles are always spotless and safe. Stay tuned as we break down the key features, pros, and why these models stand out for modern parenting. Number 3. The papablicofficial Bottle Washer Pro is a true game-changer for parents who want an easier, faster, and more reliable way to keep baby bottles spotless. This 4-in-1 machine takes care of washing, sterilizing, drying, and even storing bottles in one simple process. Whether you need a quick 19-minute wash or the full 74 to 84-minute cycle, it adapts to your routine and helps you reclaim precious time with your baby. One standout feature is the angled control panel, designed for easy one-handed use, perfect when you're holding your little one. It's ergonomically friendly, saving parents from constant bending or strain. The precision spray system with 26 jets and 25,000 pascals pressure ensures every nook and cranny of bottles, pump hearts, and toys is cleaned and sterilized with 99.99% effectiveness, even removing stubborn milk residue. Parents love the generous capacity, which holds multiple bottles or 2 full pump kits, yet still fits neatly on a countertop. Plus, it comes with 60 detergent tablets to get you started and a reassuring 3-year warranty backed by Papablic's Pro Support Team. User reviews rave about its convenience. Moms recovering from C-sections and parents with multiple kids say it's a lifesaver. Many call it their favorite purchase, praising its time-saving magic. If you're a new parent, this washer is worth every penny. Number 2. The Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro is a revolutionary all-in-one machine designed to make parenting easier by eliminating the hassle of hand-washing bottles, pump hearts, and sippy cups. This smart washer doesn't just clean, it washes, sterilizes, and dries everything automatically, saving you hours of scrubbing and sanitizing every week. Equipped with 20 high-pressure spray jets, it thoroughly reaches every corner, ensuring bottles and accessories are spotless. It kills 99.9% of germs with steam and dries items using HEPA-filtered hot air, keeping everything safe and hygienic. With 3 rinse cycles more than other machines, it guarantees no detergent residue is left behind. Parents love its easy setup with removable clean and dirty water tanks, so there's no messy sink hookup required. Its universal capacity holds up to 4 bottles and pump parts, including Dr. Brown's vent tubes. Plus, it offers 6 eco-friendly cleaning modes, using 85% less water than hand washing. Items remain sterilized and dry for up to 72 hours when stored inside. User reviews highlight just how life-changing this machine is. Parents rave about the time savings, simple controls, and perfect countertop fit. Many say it's worth every penny for the convenience and peace of mind it delivers. Number 1. The Mom Cozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer is an all-in-one cleaning machine designed to simplify life for parents. This versatile appliance washes, sterilizes, dries, and stores bottles, pump hearts, and baby essentials, giving you more time to focus on your little one instead of endless sink duty. With 26 precision spray jets targeting every angle, it guarantees a deep clean, even on bottles or pump hearts with stubborn milk residue. Its dual-layer design fits up to 4 bottles at once, accommodating most major brands as well as wearable pump hearts. With 9 customizable cleaning modes, including rapid wash and sterilize plus dry, you can choose the perfect cycle for your needs. In a rush? The quick wash mode gets bottles clean in just 19 minutes. For peace of mind, the steam sterilizing system eliminates harmful germs, while the built-in H13 HEPA filter ensures purified airflow, keeping bottles dry and sterile for up to 72 hours. The compact size makes it easy to fit on most countertops, and it comes with a 1-year warranty plus 60 cleaning tablets for a hassle-free start. Parents rave about its efficiency, thoughtful design, and ability to handle even tough messes. Many call it their favorite baby appliance, noting it's a splurge that's absolutely worth it for the convenience and safety it brings. That wraps up our review of the top 3 best baby bottle washers in 2025. Each of these machines offers convenience, safety, and peace of mind for parents. Which one do you think fits your lifestyle best? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby product reviews and parenting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.